Now here's a song that was written by the same fellow that wrote Tim Finnegan's Wake, and it was the most popular song for the Irish in the 1860s. It was performed for years, and Tony Pastor did it in a Top Hat and Tails. I am a decent Irishman, just come from Ballyfad. Oh, I want a situation, and I want it mighty bad. A position I saw advertised, 'twas right for me, says I, but the dirty spalpeen ended with, no Irish need apply. Whoa, says I, but that's an insult, but to get this job I'll try. I'll go and see this blaggart with, no Irish need apply. Well, some may think it a misfortune to be christened Pat or Dan, but to me it is an honor to be born an Irishman. Well, I started out to find this bloke. I found him mighty soon. He was seated in the corner. He was a-readin' the Tribune. When I told him what I come for, he in a rage did fly, and he says, you are a Paddy and no Irish need apply. Well, I felt me dander risin', and that's to black an eye, to tell a decent gentleman no Irish need apply. Well, I couldn't stand his nonsense, so a hold of him I took, and I gave him such a batin' as he'd get in Donnybrook. He hollered, melee murder, and to get away did try, and he swore he'd never write again, no Irish need apply. He made a big apology. I bid him then goodbye, sayin' when next you want a batin' right, no Irish need apply. Well, some may think it a misfortune to be christened Pat or Dan, but to me it is an honor to be born an Irishman. Now Paddy's heart is open wide, as all the world does know. His whiskey and his praties he will share with friend or foe. His door is always open to strangers passing by, and he never takes a sayin', only Irish need apply.